Yes, continue video for oxymercuration and demercuration. So this video I'm going to explain applications. Okay, applications applications of OM by DM and trick. Okay, trick for OM and DM. OM means oxymercuration, DM means demercuration. Okay, so this is oxymercuration and demercuration. So now I am telling one example. So I already told you there are two key points. There is no carbocation rearrangement and Markovnikov's addition. Nucleophile will go and attack. What is that Markovnikov's rule? Okay, Marco Markovnikov's rule. So nucleophile attacks, okay, nucleophile attacks more stable carbocation side. Okay, so that is Markovnikov's rule. So you just see the like application like this. Okay, so this is on treated with like HgOAc twice by water NaBH4. The same example I explained. The trick it is double bonded carbons, you just make a dots. Okay, so here you have to add the reagent water. From that water, what is the nucleophile? OH minus. From this NaBH4, what is the thing is coming out? Hydrogen. So hydrogen is attaches here. Nucleophile attacking as per Markovnikov's rule more stable carbocation side. So then you are going to get, this is a trick students, you just follow and directly you write a product. Okay, now another application, it is like this. Okay, okay, this is a double bonded thing. There are two carbocations possibility. This is one carbocation, this is another carbocation. So as you can see here, out of these two carbocations, this is two hydrogens, total four hydrogens can involve hyperconjugation. Both are secondary only. One, two, three. So here four, five. So super. One hydrogen is extra here. So how many alpha hydrogens are involving hyperconjugation here? Five. So both are secondary. This is also okay. Secondary carbocation. So this is also, this carbocation also secondary carbocation. But which is more stable means this is more stable. You can take this example. Here you can take, this is the more stable carbocation. So you write it here. Okay, this is the more stable carbocation point. So as you know that what is that? So HgOAc twice water and NaBH4. So as per that, where is that water molecule? OH minus will go and attack. So this is OH minus attacks here. Why this position only? Why this position only? Because of the more stable carbocation. And another side hydrogen is going and adding. Then the product it is OH is added here. Hydrogen is added here. Actually as per mechanism this is anti-addition. Okay, opposite side. Anti-addition, that means OH is anti, OH is like this. Okay, so another example, mm, another example is like this. Okay, double bond. So whenever you added HgOAc twice, so electrophile can attack. It is electrophile can attack like this. HgO C double bond O CH3. I already told you the mechanism. After that, suppose you are added water molecule OH minus attacking more stable carbocation side like this, then immediately it is leaving like this three membered ring is. So this is like anti addition, opposite side, anti addition. Okay, so then you are going to get like this. It is, you please observe that here OH minus is added, here CH2. Okay, here this is the point, this is CH2, CH2 HGO, C double bond O. Okay, CH3. After that you have to add NaBH4, then hydrogen is added, one other hydrogen is added, then the product it is OH and like this. Okay, like this OH. Okay, so this is our product. Okay, so next applications trick, you, I hope you understood this is anti addition. Trick also you understand. Okay, we are continuing with applications. So that is so example, this is I'm taking like symmetrical alkene. Okay, this is symmetrical alkene only. So this is on oxy mercuration and demercuration. Then it is very simple. Any side the nucleophile can attack. So H and OH is added. And the next example, okay, it is like this. So this is a more stable alkene. So I'm taking uh, here HgOAc twice. Here I am taking CH3OH by NaBH4. So this is CH3O minus. Okay. So this is the nucleophile attacking to the more stable carbocation side, and hydrogen is attacking here, like attached there. Then you are going to get here O CH3, here hydrogen. Suppose the same thing on treated with HgOAc twice, and you are adding D2O by NaBH4. So in this D2O, what is the nucleophile? OD minus. So OD minus attaches there, and from NaBH4 hydrogen is there, hydrogen is attaching here. The possible product it is here, this is OD, and here this is hydrogen. Okay, so let me take another example. Let me take another example also. So CH3, okay, C CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2. Then this is on treated with like same HgOAc twice, and another thing CH3 COOH and NaBD4. So in this CH3 COOH, what is the nucleophile? CH3 COO minus is the nucleophile. So it is attacking here. From this NaBD4, like D is coming and attaching here. Okay. So very simple technique. From this nucleophile is attaching, from this hydrogen or deuterium is attaching. So the possible product it is, okay, CH3 C CH3 down also CH3. So as you can see here, CHO C double bond O CH3 here also CH2D. Okay, like this. So these are all the applications and examples of oxymercuration and demercuration. Okay, so next further examples, as you can take any further examples. The further example, this is, it is like this. This is alkene, and step 1 it is, okay, this is O C double bond O. Okay, after that, if you added water molecule, suppose if you added water molecule means this is the water molecule is not going and attaching there. So what is the thing is going and attaching here? This is the lone pair. So lone pair is attaching there. Then you are going to get intramolecular. This is intramolecular nucleophile attacking here. Then it is like this. It is here. Whenever this is the nucleophile is attaching, this is the bond is going to detach. Here already plus is there. So minus, then it is nucleophile. Then here this is He G O C double bond O CH3. So after that, okay, this is O attaching here. Okay. So after that, this is like 5-membered ring along with oxygen. So this is on treated with like NaBH4. So after that, whenever you added NaBH4, one hydrogen is added here, another hydrogen is added here. Then you are going to get what is the product here. This is like this. Okay, it is. This is the final product. So this is the example for intramolecular oxymercuration and demercuration. So intramolecular means if you added nucleophile also, this is the nucleophile is not going to attack. So what is the thing is attacking? This is the lone pair is attacking. Understood? So the next example, okay, another example, simple example only. So CH3, CH3, CH3. This is CH double bond CH2. Then this is HGO AC twice. So if you added CH3, this is any nucleophile you can take. Suppose you are adding D2O by NaBD4. So this is also D2O NaBD4. From this D2O OD minus attacking like according to Markovnikov's rule, from NaBD4 D is attaching to this carbon, then you are going to get, so CH3 CH3, so CH3 CHOD, here this is CH2D. Okay, this is our product. Okay, these are all the applications and technique for the oxymercuration and demercuration. Okay, so please follow all these examples, and all these are easy only. Now the next, it is, okay, sorry, so this is 1 second, students. Okay, so let me take another example. Okay. Oh, this is on treated with HgOAc twice and CH3OH by NaBd4. So here this is there are two types of formation of carbocations, as you can take here. This is one possibility. Okay. So what is another possibility? Carbocation forming, it is another possibility is this one. But as you know the which, sorry, here actually it is okay, this is actually there are two types of carbocations. So here also have written wrong. 1 second, students. Okay. Mm. Now, as you can see here, this is uh, okay. Now, as you can see here, this is CH. This is like cyclohexane. Okay. So now, which is more stable carbocation? It is like, so this is like benzyl carbocation. This is like cyclohexyl, like after that this is only, here it is showing only hyperconjugation one hydrogen. Out of these 1 and 2, if you check the stability, 1 greater than 2. So if you take 1 greater than 2 means, so this is the nucleophile. What is the nucleophile? CH3O minus. This is the CH3O minus attaching here. So then after that deuterium is attaching there. Okay. So this is as per Markovnikov's rule. For this it is not possible. So the possible product it is, OCH3 CH. Okay, here D, no, here D is attaching. Okay, D is attaching. Then again you are getting cyclohexane ring. This is our final product. Understand?